How to fix turn off airplane mode to make a call problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this issue. So if you have been trying to call someone but the message pops up where it says turn off airplane mode, then the first thing you have to do obviously is check if your airplane mode is on or not. I currently don't have airplane mode on. So if I just turn it on and try to call somebody, it's not happening because there is no cell service when you are on airplane mode. So you have to turn it off. And in case, even after you've turned off your airplane mode, you're still getting the issue, in that case, go over to settings. And then from there, go back, go over to connections, and then go to mobile networks. Now make sure your SIM cards are working fine and you have network. Now after doing so, you want to go over to network preferred network mode, and you want to just go ahead and select 5G preferred, and then go over to access point names. Make sure that you'd reset the access point names to default. Tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on reset to default. You want to do the same thing for both of your SIM cards if you have two. Go to network operators. You can select automatically and then do the same thing for the other one as well. Now make sure that the flight mode is not turned on. And then finally, you can go over to SIM manager, or if you have physical SIM cards, then you want to take them out and then insert them back again and see if that works. These are some of the things you can do to fix the problem, and that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.